How to open Capitec Bank account? Well, it's pretty simple and a quick process, so let's get started with the video. Start by heading over to any of the web browser. Let me move into Safari for now. In the search bar, search for Capitec Sign Up. Now head over to the very first site. It will be landing you in this official page. Once you're in this page, tap on this icon at the top right corner of the screen. And then choose your account that you want to create. Let me choose business for now. Tap on open an account at the top left corner of the screen. Wait for a while for it to load. It will land you on this page. Scroll down and you have to click on Get Started. Now simply select who owns share in this business and then tap on Continue. Now you will need to fill up some of the information. Enter your SID number, business registration number, cell phone number, email address, and also re-enter your email address. Once you have entered all the information, tap on this checkbox and then tap on Create Profile. If all the informations are correct, then your account will be created successfully and then you will be good to go. So that's the wrap for this video. If this video helped you, give it a like and check out our next tutorial. Thank you.